Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Do you know what today is? It's grocery shopping day, so I am on my way in to Walmart because I'm still looking for a few items that I didn't get during another haul. So let's go. So my Walmart is still in a disarray. I'm gonna have to relearn the new format. I don't know if I like that, but I might find some really good deals. Fingers crossed. And some good organization now with all of these fruits. It's starting to make sense to me. Okay, we just came back. It was chaotic in there again. I didn't find the pumpkin that I was looking for, the store brand, which, what a bummer. If you're finding it at your store, you are very lucky. Buy extra. I just think it's because of all the chaos at the store. So hopefully maybe I should just go to a different Walmart and pick some up, but I will. Let's see, I spent about $140. There's a couple of things that I purchased that weren't food related. Maybe I'll show you. And if that's the case, then I spent $150. All right, let's undo all of this and start showing you all of the snacks, the treats, and a few meals that I picked up. All right, first off, I got 2 of these emergency pizzas. They always come in handy. They are under $3. I think they were like $2.78. What a good price. And I decided to get pepperoni this time. Okay, some more snacks. Now this is gonna be so healthy. I got 2 of these for Kobe. He really likes Moth Sticks. So I think these were $1 each, you guys. And so I just feel like for a little snack, there probably feels like there's 6 or so in here. So what a great price as well. Now this is something that even Paul could have if he feels like he just wants a little snack, or this could be a meal. We could just throw some cheese on it, some toppings. It's a good thing. We were running low on burgers, so I just picked up another pack. These ones have been pretty good. I picked up some more of these Udi pizza crusts because, you know, sometimes we just like to have like some sandwiches or maybe some meatball sandwiches, and Paul can't have that, so I could always make it into a pizza for him. Another thing that the boys requested, Hot Pockets. Let me know in the comments, when was the last time you ate a Hot Pocket? I don't even know if I can remember the last time I had one. So this is a pepperoni pizza, but it does have a garlic crust. And then this one is one that Jonas specifically asked for, and they, of course, only had it in a 5-pack, Philly cheesesteaks. So I think he is really gonna like these ones, and that will be his lunch. All right, I picked up some more thin cut chicken breasts. Very easy, good go-to for dinner ideas, like when it gets to be around 12 o'clock and you're going, oh my gosh, what am I gonna make for dinner? The thin slice, it'll save you. Picked up a couple of frozen potatoes of tater tots and seasoned French fries. Might be pretty good to have them with our cheeseburger nights. I picked up a larger bag of corn. I go through lots of corn, and I'm actually making a recipe that you'll get to see that is including some corn. Oh, and I picked up some meatballs. Now these are probably some of my favorite ones. I've had some from other stores and they weren't my favorite. So the Walmart brand, home styled meatballs are so good, and they are good in a meatball soup, you guys. Maybe it's time to start making some soups. It's only gonna be like 90 degrees this week, so it's cooling down. I could put these in there in that soup mix. I thought we could get carrots a little bit different, kind of more crinkled cut. I also picked up some more yogurt. The kids were devouring this last week, so I had to get another. So I'm gonna go put these away, and then I'll show you what else I have. Oh, plus I got a big 24-pack of Diet Coke for the family. For our cheeseburgers, I picked up some more buns. We do have some in the back freezer, so that's good to know because there might be some other things I can make with the buns, like sloppy joes. So I got 4 of these cans. So not only can you just do sloppy joes with ground beef, and have them in buns and stuff like that. We like to put it just straight on fried potatoes. I slice up those potatoes, give them a nice little fry, and then I'll put some cheese on top, let it melt when it's all done, throw this with the ground beef on it. It is a very yummy meal that Paul can definitely enjoy with us. So I got 4 of those cans. I picked up 2 more of these Pregos because I'm trying to make sure we're nice and stocked up. So we're stocked up in the back pantry, and now in the front pantry, I just want to make sure we have enough to go to. So I picked up some corn tortillas, and this is our favorite green chili enchilada sauce. Now, if you don't have one of these, or the Macayo's brand, you may want to check your Walmarts, but it might be a West Coast thing. I don't know. But it's really good. And I bet if you're on the East Coast or Midwest, you may have a good go-to. I picked up a box of ramen. Boys just make them, you guys. And sometimes if I am making an Asian dish, I use them too. So it's good for us. In that regards, sparingly. Well, the boys like to use them a lot more. Okay, so gluten-free flour. It can be so expensive. The Walmart brand is our favorite. This little container has, I don't know, like a good 2 cups in here, maybe more, and it's $3. So that is a good price. So I am trying to stock up on them. So I got 2, and I love to have these out because I can substitute flour with this flour when I'm making like muffins or cake mixes, if we want to do that for Paul, or if I'm making cream of chicken soup. This is how I make it. So I like to have all of those ingredients on hand so I can make cream of chicken soup anytime, and we go through lots of that. Also for our hamburgers, I got some lettuce and tomato, and I also thought I could make a little salad out of it with the leftovers. So the next day. And I got some Honeycrisp apples. Those are my favorite, so I'm gonna need to put those in the drawer so nobody can get to them. And they're also so expensive. So I can only pick up like 2, those 2 cost $3. I mean, that's so expensive. So, but pretty quick here, they'll be going on sale, and I'll be buying loads of them. I love apple season, and it feels like my body craves apples in the fall. Does yours? This is the end, you guys. So what I have first is some crushed pineapple. I have some extra cream cheeses that I acquired this week on a big clearance. So they were only 99 cents for the name brand. So I want to make some cheese log. So that'll be super good and ready to go when I'm ready to make it. I picked up, and I finally found them, yay! 3 of these pancakes and waffle mixes. These are the extra fluffy kind. I am actually more of a fan of the extra fluffy rather than the buttermilk. I think that the buttermilk leaves kind of like a soury aftertaste, which is why it's called buttermilk. So it's not that I'm opposed to eating it, it's just the storing it. I want to buy what our family will eat. So I got that, and look at this 3-pack of Velveeta Shells. Ezra is a fan. So, and he's a fan, we get extras. Next week, he probably won't even like them. So we will see how that goes. So let me put these away, and then I'll just keep going. All right, I picked up, this is the first time, these extra long, like extra wide egg noodles. They just looked so good to me. And I actually have a tomato basil cream sauce that's just like shouting for them to be married. So I'm gonna grant their wish. And that will be a yummy like dinner or a lunch. We'll see. I picked up these Mccormick's enchilada sauce. Talking about your favorite enchilada sauces, this one is mine. So I've had lots of different kinds, and when I make it, I use like a chicken stock or a bouillon that makes, you know, the chicken stock pretty much, but I like to add it into this even better. I will, when I'm cooking the chicken, I might boil it in some water. I will reserve that water, add it to the sauce. Same stuff, but just fresher. So you guys, this is a good stuff. It's only like $1 each or so. And then I picked up for Paul some gluten-free cornbread. So we'll eat these 2 along with him. So I have to think of now a recipe that I can use this with. Another thing for Paul is just some granola bars, these kind ones. He was desperately needing them, he said. I picked up the boys some Pop-Tarts. These are like cookies to them, and I don't really mind. I will get on them if they eat more than one pack, which they really should only be eating one cookie part, and it comes with 2 in a pack. So you understand if you have some older boys. Talking about some other treats, I picked up some Little Debbie's and Little Debbie brownies, so we'll keep those in the drawer. I also picked up 2 of these. I'm just trying to stock up on my chocolate chips for the fall. I'm just baking more now, you guys. I picked up some more cornstarch because I use this a lot with gluten-free cooking when I'm trying to thicken up sauces. Rather than using like a flour base, I use the cornstarch. Another thing that I picked up was for a salad. These are so yummy, these toppers, and they're not expensive. I believe this was like $1, $1.50. So something to think about if you want to have some toppers. And then I picked up these yummy, these are like diet Sprites, but they have different flavors, and they're only like 78 cents, and they're pretty big. So orange and cream, I haven't had this one, or the tangerine mango, but these other ones are already tried and true. So I love this one, and of course, this one, the coconut pineapple. And then for the boys, I always get them the cotton candy. They really like that one. So you want to see what I got? I picked up a smaller cookie scoop because what I'm making as my recipe is going to need this. I have a bigger one, I mean like the regular scoop size, but I've always wanted a little cookie one. So that one is what I got, and that was like $5.50. And then I bought this little wallet, you guys. Normally when I go shopping, it was $4. I only need to carry my phone because that's where my debit card is. I have it like a slider. It's like a hidden compartment. That's usually what I take, and that's it. But if I'm like in a grocery cart, my keys are falling through, my calculator's falling through the cracks. You get me, right? So I can put all of that stuff in there and still just carry it with a little handle. You guys, $4, that's a great price. So they are clearancing tons of things out at Walmart. So now's a good time to go check it out because they're bringing in their fall. They got to get rid of their summer stuff. So just something to think about. So thanks so much for watching the haul, going with me to Walmart, and seeing all these snacks and treats and meals that I can make. I'm grateful for all of you guys, and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.